Israel carried out an airstrike on Syria's Damascus International Airport and other positions south of the capital, killing 5 soldiers and causing material damage, the Ministry of Defense. Syrian air defenses intercepted the attack and managed to down most of the missiles, a ministry statement said. There was no immediate confirmation whether the strike had affected airport operations. Israel has intensified strikes on Syrian airports to disrupt Iran's increasing use of aerial supply lines to deliver arms to allies in Syria and Lebanon, including Hezbollah, regional diplomatic and intelligence sources told reporters. Hundreds of thousands of people have died and millions have been made homeless since protests against Syrian President Bashar al-Assad in 2011 developed into a civil war that drew in foreign powers and left Syria carved into zones of control.